The Loihi Seamount is an active underwater volcano just over a half-mile below the ocean's surface, 21 miles southeast of the island of Hawaii. Now there is a greater understanding of the youngest volcano in the Hawaiian island chain and the role submerged volcanoes play in Earth's history after a scientific expedition in the summer of 2014 led by researchers from the University of Hawaii at Manoa School of Ocean and Earth Science and Technology.
Loihi is a very wonderful natural laboratory in our backyard for studying Earth processes that have happened in the past. And so while today Loihi might be unique, there are times in Earth history when much of the global ocean looked like Loihi does today.
The other key collaborators in the groundbreaking expedition were the Schmidt Ocean Institute, Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution, and the University of Minnesota, along with scientists from France and Germany.
Descending into the pit crater, the summit of Loihi, is a lot like walking around Volcanoes National Park, except of course it's 3,000 feet below the sea surface.
The team mapped Loihi's deepest reaches, more than 16,000 feet below, aboard Schmidt's research vessel Falkor, using the ship's multi-beam data and Woods Hole's autonomous underwater vehicle Sentry.
Cutting-edge technology, pioneer vehicle that targets and it just doesn't get tired and maps at higher resolution and takes photographs that we couldn't otherwise gain.
The expedition had three fundamental objectives.
One, the geology of how the seamounts grow, how the Hawaiian Islands have grown through time. Two, the chemistry of the impacts of a leaky iron-rich volcano spewing an iron plume out into the Pacific Ocean. And three, how the microbiology of the system interacts with the ocean around it.
Marine microorganisms, or microbes, play a crucial role in sustaining life on Earth by producing oxygen, serving as the base of a food chain. At volcanically active areas like Loihi, they provide a glimpse into the vast diversity of harsh conditions under which life has thrived, even raising questions about the possibility of life on other planets and moons.
Microbes are actually taking advantage of the energy that's locked up in the rock and locked up in the hydrothermal fluids, rusting that iron, making a living out of it.
scientists and researchers from the Hawaii Undersea Research Laboratory have been on the forefront of discovery at Loihi for more than 25 years. That work paved the way for this latest wave of discovery, including mapping the base of the volcano, more than 3 miles below the surface of the ocean.
There's acres and acres of this energetic microbial community that was previously unaccounted for.
The wealth of new data is providing answers and leading to even more questions as continues to offer tremendous opportunities to undergraduate and graduate students and prove that it is home to one of the world's premier oceanography programs.
The Department of Oceanography has a long history of working with students, working in the environment and answering some of the big questions, whether they be exploration-based or hypothesis-driven science-based. And on this particular expedition, we had a nice blend of being able to do both.